This short video shows how to replace the LCD screen of your PSP in case you've damaged it or cracked it. First thing you need to do is remove the battery from the unit, which will reveal some screws which then need to be removed also. There's 7 of these in total, some on each side and 1 on the bottom. All of these can be removed with a small Phillips screwdriver. Once you have removed all the screws from the back, turn the PSP over and you should just be able to slowly pull off the front of the PSP. The next step is to remove the small bar at the bottom. Just pull this down and then lift this up to reveal a small clip holding the ribbon in. This just needs to be lifted up. You can use a small pair of tweezers as shown in the video, or a small screwdriver. Once this has been lifted, you can just remove the ribbon. This next step can sometimes be a little tricky. There is 4 metal clips holding in the screen, 2 each side. Best bet to do is get a kitchen knife as shown in the video and just try and unclip these. You just need to do one side, unclip both, and then you should be able to easily lift out. Once you have both clips unpopped, just gently lift the screen up and move it forward. The screen is being connected to the motherboard in 2 places. There is 2 clips and both of these need to be lifted up before the ribbon can be removed. That's it, the screen is now removed, ready to replace. Simply put the new screen in, reversing the steps that we've shown you in this video.